Good morning. My name is Miss Walker,
And I am Mrs. Privet.
and today we're going to review some letters that you should have already learned. The first letter that we're going to talk about and review is the letter C. This is the uppercase C, and this is the lowercase c. C makes the k, k, k sound. C also has a second sound, a softer C, which is a S. But for the sake of this demonstration, we're only going to focus on the hard C, which again, the sound is
Like you're cutting paper.
Now, some items that we have to show you that begins with the letter C is cake.
Cake. Another item is corn. Corn. Everybody loves corn.
Now, this I want to share with you is cotton. This cotton was found in a cotton field. Years ago, our ancestors had to work the cotton field. But I saw this and got out of my car and picked one so that everybody can see that cotton grows from the ground.
And not just how we see it in the store.
Right.
That is how it looks.
Because when we see it in the floor, it's nice, fluffy, and white. But when you look at this, you see all of the brown that's in this?
These are the pods that it comes out of.
So it is called cotton with the letter C.
All right. Our next item is cup. Cup. Some of your parents drink coffee out of a cup. And my students in Miss Privet's class know that she loves her coffee and needs her coffee every day. So coffee and cup begin with the letter C.
My item is a calendar. Calendar. It begins with the letter C as well. With a calendar, it shows us the month, the days of the week, the days of the month. Like, for example, today is Tuesday, April 7th. It also tells us the year that we're currently in. As you can see, we're in 2020.
And the last item we have, you all know these very well. They are crayons. You can use these to write, to color. Sometimes you can even melt them down to make a pretty picture. Crayons, the letter C. You hear that C sound. Crayon.
Our next letter is
The letter T. And if you look at the T, the uppercase or the capital, as well as the lowercase, both of them are made with just lines. You take a line straight down, whoops, and a line going across. Here you go straight down and then a line going across in the middle.
And Ms. Privet, we did not share that with the letter C. The C is a curve. It's like a half of a circle. It starts here and it goes around. And if you look, the lowercase c is made the exact same way, for the exception of one is big and one is small.
All right, so now we're going to show you some items that begin with the letter T. And it begins with the sound T. We have a telephone. Everyone has a telephone. Now we call them cell phones, but back in the day, there was a telephone plugged into the wall at our house. Hello, hello. Telephone, telephone.
This is a truck. We see trucks on the highway, on the road every day, taking things from one place to another. Truck.
Next is toilet paper. Toilet paper. This is a needed item right now during these times. Toilet paper. Toilet paper.
We also have, this is a toy toaster. Toy begins with the letter T, and toaster begins with the letter T. You can find a toaster in your home. You use it to put bread into the two slots. You push the lever down, and then when it pops back up, your bread is toasted.
Yes. And our last item is tissues. Make sure you have plenty of tissues if you're sick, or even if you have to cough or sneeze. You take a tissue or achoo, then you ball it up and put it in the trash. So T is for tissues.
Now, our next letter that we're going to introduce is the letter S. S makes the sound. If you notice, both letters look exactly alike for the exception of one is big and one is small. The big is called capital or uppercase, and the small one is called a lowercase letter.
And if you look at them, like you said, they're exactly the same. Just like the letter C, exactly the same. Just one is bigger and one is smaller.
Now, the first item that we have to share is salt. If you're one of my students, you know I love salt. We sprinkle it on our food and it just makes it so much better.
The next item is a star. For all the star students, we know you are. Star.
And my item is a pair of scissors. Listen to the beginning sound. Scissors. Begins with that S. And of course, you know we use scissors to cut with. And our last item, shaving cream. This is a good thing to have at home. Now, it's very inexpensive. You can actually go to the Dollar Tree and get it for $1. But you can take this shaving cream and you can put it on a tray like this.
Or even on your table, just on your table, because it's a good cleaning agent.
Absolutely. And you can use your fingers in the shaving cream to make the letter S, to make the letter C, to make the letter T, or even write your name. So, but don't use that shaving cream. Make sure you ask first. Now, our last letter is the letter M. M makes the sound. This is the uppercase or the big M, and this is the lowercase m. So if you look at the shape of the uppercase M, they're lines. Straight line down, go back to the top, bring another line down, start from the bottom, come up, and down again.
And the lowercase, you start with a line, go straight down, then come back, curve around, come back up, curve around again. Then you have your lowercase m.
And the M makes the sound like something is so good.
Delicious.
The items that we're sharing with you, we have a moose. Say the word with me. Moose. Watch how your mouth is formed when you say moose. Put your lips together. Do you feel your lips? They vibrate sort of. Moose.
Yeah. Next, we have music. And all Summerhill students know about Music Together. You all received this CD with all the music on it. So, music.
And play your music. Enjoy it while you're home. My last item is markers. Markers. And you know, with markers, we can make mess, but we can also write our letters if we use paper to do it on. Don't mark on the walls.
Do it.
But you can use your markers to make the M, the S, the C, or the T.
And my last item for the letter M is a mirror. A mirror. You look at yourself every morning when you're in the bathroom, getting dressed, brushing your teeth, washing your face. You look at yourself in the mirror. You make sure your hair is right and everything. So M, mirror.
I forgot my mask. My mask is for this virus that we have now. As you can see, it covers your nose and your mouth. That begins with M2, mouth and mask.
We have one more letter, Miss Walker. I think we forgot about this one.
Oh,
and I know they know this letter. It's the letter O. The capital O and the lowercase o. And in my class, we have the sound that O makes. We pretend like we're opera singers. Oh, oh, oh. That's how our class does it. My kids know that.
And in my class, we pretend that we are because we just go.
An octopus.
Now, boys and girls, one thing I want to tell you about the letter O, which is one of my favorite because this one letter can be three different things. It can be the letter O, as in It could be the shape of a circle because it goes round and round and never stops. Or it can be a number. It could be the number 0, which means you have absolutely nothing. Our other items that we have is an orange tweezer.
The color orange begins with O.
Right. And this item is a tweezer. It begins with the letter T, but it is orange.
And our last object is an orange. Everyone loves to eat oranges. Orange and juicy, especially orange juice.
So, I hope you enjoyed our review.
The letter C, I'm sorry, Ms. Walker, the letter T, the letter S, the letter M, and our letter O.
We hope.
Bye. Take care.